Hey, hi all. Welcome to my another session of JavaScript. In this session, we will talk about callback functions. So let's see what are the callback functions. Callback function is a function that we passed as an argument. So why we need to pass as an argument is this function is executed after the some operation has been completed. Okay. So we will check with the example right now. Let's create a function here. Function modify array. Okay, so here let's say we can take array and say callback. In this array, what I will do, I will push some value, say 500, and I will do a callback to a function. Now outside of this, let's create array 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Here we can create a function. I'll say err, and here I will call that function. What I will say, console.log array modified. Now let's try a run. Correct. I could see array is modified. Let me also print value of array. Yes. So after the alteration of array, it is showing the message array modified. Now, taking one more example, let's say function. I will say print hello world console.log print hello world. I will create another function print my name. Will take parameter as name console.log. I'll print my name. Suppose for some reason a particular thread is taking time. Okay, so let me create a timeout method. Okay, set timeout. Here I will say just print hello world and also timeout of 2 seconds. And after that I will print my name. Say month. Now let's run this. So you can see I have written hello world before this and print name after this, but here you can see name is printed first and after that print hello world. Okay, but I want that this should be printed after this method only. Okay, so in this scenario we will create a callback function. So in this case, what I will do, I will say my callback function. Okay, also I will take the parameter as an argument. After that I will call this function with the same parameter, and I will just pass this method name print my name. I will remove this. Now I have passed this argument. I will also have to pass what I have to print. Now let's run this. There is some issue. Let's run it again. Yeah, correct. Now I could see a print hello world first, and after that my name. So this is how you can pass a method as an argument. Also, you can pass some arguments which is required for that method. So callback is a function which you need to pass it as an argument so that it can be called after some operation has been performed. So in this, print hello world has uh, operated first, and after that I have called this print my name. So thank you for watching this my JavaScript session. In this upcoming session, I will upload more such useful information. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.